Hey beauties, welcome back to AK Beauty. I am back with an amazing look for you. This is a look that I created for Diwali and I'm wearing a black blouse with a yellow sari with oxidized earrings. As you can see, my skin is looking really tired. I was roaming all day outside in the sun and I just needed a boost. So I'm going to cleanse my face with the Dermavive Hydra cleanser first. This cleanser was super amazing. It feels like butter. It feels like it is moisturizing while cleansing my face. And look at the way my face has transformed. To moisturize my face today, I'm going to be using the Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. This moisturizer has surprised me to no end. It didn't only moisturize my face, it also created a blurring effect on my pores. So it is perfect for pre-makeup prep. To color correct today, I'm going to be using the Peach Precedent from Sugar Cosmetics under my eyes, around my mouth, a few marks on my forehead. To avoid any mixing of corrector and foundation, I'm going to first spray my face with Miss Claire Dewy setting spray. Using my forever favorite foundation Maybelline Superstay in the shade 220, I'm going to layer it on first with a brush because I want quite a lot of coverage today, and then going to blend it out with the AOA makeup sponge. To add some contour to my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Espresso. This is a super quick drying formula. So I'm going to first blend it out with a brush and then using a sponge to just soften the edges. Using the PAC concealer in the shade Skin Tanned, I'm going to be showing two different techniques of concealing. On the left hand side is the way I usually conceal. This allows me to create nice brightness under my eyes, but I tried this trend that has been going viral. That it didn't really work for me because it made my face look broad. I'm using the blush from Deborah in the shade 03 and applying the Precious Petals highlighter on the high points of my face. As you can see, I have not used any powder, but still my face looks flawless. As I said, Neutriderm has truly surprised me. It is a beautiful pre-makeup moisturizer. Can you see how flawless my face looks? It's incredible. I'm just going to use a little bit of powder from LA Girl in the shade Banana under my eyes. Using the bronzer from Revolution Beauty, I'm going to use very little quantity. I do not want too chisel kind of a look. I want a soft blushy look on the perimeter of my face. Using the PAC Creme Cedar 02 brow pomade, I'm going to fill in my brows. As you can see, I have already styled my hair, but I don't want to leave them open. So I pulled them all to one side and braided them loosely. And for a finishing touch, I'm gonna use a black bindi. And guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I really enjoyed creating this look. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.